facing the police every single day.
Kelly Thomas case, 5 years later, feds say no criminal charges against Fullerton police officers. Federal prosecutors have decided to not pursue criminal charges against 3 Fullerton police officers whose violent encounter with Kelly Thomas 5 years ago resulted in the homeless, mentally ill man's death. Department of Justice officials said Monday that prosecutors have determined that they are unable to prove that former officers Manuel Ramos, J. Cicchinelli, and Joseph Wolf violated Thomas's civil rights. The now closed federal civil rights case was the last remaining investigation into 37-year-old Thomas's death, which drew national attention after security video of his deadly encounter with police at the Fullerton Transportation Center went viral. Thomas's father, Ron Thomas, said he wasn't surprised by the Department of Justice's decision, given how long the investigation has lasted. "I didn't have much faith in it at all," Ron Thomas said Monday of the federal investigation. "But that is over with now, and I'm moving forward and will continue with my advocacy work." Thomas provided a letter he received from the U.S. Department of Justice late last week, in which U.S. Attorney Eileen Decker indicated that the decision had been made to close the federal investigation. "We understand that you may be disappointed that we cannot prosecute this matter as a federal civil rights crime, but we assure you that the FBI, the United States Attorney's Office and the Civil Rights Division devoted many hours and significant resources to conducting a complete and thorough investigation and prosecutorial review of this incident," Decker wrote. "Again, please accept our condolences on the loss of your son." In the letter, Decker noted that in order to convict the officers involved in Thomas's death on federal charges, prosecutors would have to prove that they willfully disregarded his civil rights. "Neither accident, mistake, fear, negligence nor bad judgment is sufficient to establish a willful federal criminal civil rights violation," Decker wrote. Interim Fullerton Police Chief David Heinig said that his department was notified of the DOJ's decision on Monday morning. Heinig said his department appreciated the deliberation that went into the DOJ's decision, but declined to comment further. Thomas, a transient known to frequent Fullerton and other surrounding cities, died 5 days after police took him into custody while investigating reports that he was stealing small personal items. A city security video shows several officers threatening Thomas, who screamed for his father to help him as he was struck by the officers. The violent encounter left Thomas unconscious, having suffered a compressed trachea and broken bones in his face. A 2013-14 criminal trial in state court, prosecuted by Orange County District Attorney Tony Rackauckas, ended with Ramos and Cicchinelli found not guilty and charges against Wolf dropped. All 3 men were fired from the department after Thomas's death. A year later, a civil trial brought by Ron Thomas was called off at the 11th hour when the father accepted a $4.9 million settlement from the city of Fullerton. Kelly Thomas's mother, Kathy Thomas, had already accepted a $1 million settlement.
God, help me, God! Help me! Please, God! Help me! Help me, please, God! Oh! Oh, God! I can't breathe! Dad! Help me! Help me, Dad! Help me, Dad! Help me, no! Okay, help me! Okay, help me, please! Let go of me! I can't breathe, sir! Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh, no!
How do you want to pull this down? So he's cut together already in the front? He's cut in the front. Okay.
Because of the fight.
I don't want to take those off. He's still going to fight. Yeah.
Yeah. He's so fine, dude.
Relax. 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 Okay.
What's this guy's name?
That around to us. You don't even know. We're trying to get it. Did we need to pull him up? Relax. Relax. Oh, we can pull this nice up. Wait, you want to do that?
Sure.
Yeah, hold up and relax. Pull up and give it. Okay, just going to sleep. He's still fighting. Okay. Please put him in the front though. Can you hook that right here in the front?
Yeah, let me get the glove out and I'll get you.
The chain's right there. Alright. That's him right there.
1597.
Which way did you wrap these? Relax. Relax.
You good?
Okay. I gotta get out of here.
What are we doing now? Are we going to release the cup and try to get the hand back? What are we doing?
Oh, wait, I don't know. I'm just that's not control his arm. Okay. Because nobody can get those hands unless you take your stuff off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That ain't gonna happen.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what do you want to do?
Who needs relief?
We got right now. We just got to fight how we can get him in the car.
The problem is he's going to fight, so we need to get him really, really good.
Yeah, let's get it. Someone let's get some medicine.
I got medics.
You got medicine. Hey, you get over here. And let someone he's gonna get transported to safety first. Where's Wolf? You all right? Hey, go get some lights.
I got him.
Hey, get some alcohol lights. Who's that even on? Is it on anything?
Yeah, he's hooked onto his handcuffs.
You gotta protect us from the obvious.
He's bleeding pretty good.
Yeah. There's also a taser on the ground there, guys, just so you know.
Hey, Danny, throw my taser there. That's taser, there you go. That's a taser. Correct.
Hey, what's your name? Hey, what is your name? You breathing?
I'm going to take a trooper look at this flashlight.
He's still going up and down.
Hanging his head.
Huh?
Through his head. Did I do? Think so? That you or him?
I think it's him because we ran out of oxygen, so I got the end of my taser and I just smashed his face to hell. He's on something. He went on a fight over there and we found him over here. He was on something. There's three of us, we couldn't even control.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. This guy's on something that called us to fight him. He's the one that you're going to need to look at.
You heard it all?
Hands are down.
Get over, get ready to land. Get over on this side.
Hey, Manny. What's that your arm, dude? Oh, I thought you broke it for a second.
It's getting close.
Yeah, I thought it snapped. Anyway, just on the arm.
These guys over here, they use his wife's area. He shit himself too. He did.
Or you want to wipe? I don't know. You want to wipe that arm?
Yeah.
Go put the scope on his back real quick. You got it?
I think it goes by, but it's not his full name. Hey, Wolf. Your dar is in the back of this trunk. It's got blood all over it, so make sure. Hey, Jay, you missing your dar too? Alright, we got your dar. Oh, there's two back there, so. Make sure you guys check all your equipment before you go.
Not from us.
We did one. They're going to take him in a patrol up to the hospital just next right now.
Well, we can't take him. Can you guys gurney him? We can't take him like that.
Yeah, we're your guy.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I thought he was like, come on, we can take him like this.
Your own guy.
Got it. Okay, I'm sorry.
This guy we got.
I'm all going, wait a second. He's still in position behind him like he was, right? You gotta keep him on his side. Keep him on his side. There you go.
What we need to do, guys, is if anything, we're going to keep his face down.
He looks cyanotic now.
We turn him over. We're going to aspirate that.
Yeah, we need a collar.
Collar? Yeah, coming. So. And I also
You gotta hit the head.
Arm adjusting out of that. And then go ahead and wipe his face completely off and open up his airway. Get this out of the way while they load. Put that air off.
Whose hands up? I'm gonna donate those to he was fighting kids. Those will be donated.
Calvin. Good. Wipe his face off real quick with that trauma dressing, whatever you got.
Yeah, light.
You need to clear his airway.
Okay.
Really get in aggressively. Just wipe him off. 76 on his right. Got garage. He got reps? Look, I don't see no rise at all.
Yeah, he's pretty cyanotic. Nose.
It doesn't have no effect. No effect. So. And he's cuffed?
Yes, sir.
I think you guys got to be concerned about him.
Right.
You know what? You want to grab the
He's transit. Have you guys dealt with it before? Never known to rely on him.
So what's the story? You got violence?
I don't know what the radio call was. We got fight with one of us. More guys came up, so fight by the taser. You know, they had assaulted him a couple times. So
Let's get him on the board.
So that looks like face was
What's that? What's the strap right there?
or going down the step. We had one fight full board.
You get his head? Okay, so okay. Hey, Gabe, I need your glasses, man. I need you guys in glasses. The reason why, because when he starts flapping around or something, he comes
Just pick those ones, spit that out.
It's like a little pile right here. They're making a pile right here.
We'll go to the hospital.
I think I got your glasses. Sunglasses. There.
Yeah, he did. I'm gonna have you probably drive the car up. I'm gonna probably go in with him in case he starts fighting. So
We're going to St. Jude's.
yeah, well, probably UCI. You know where that's at? Well, UCI's in
So I take the 57 to...
you're gonna follow him. Hey, you're ready to get to your car. We're going to follow the ambulance.
We're going to ECI?
Let me ask.
Okay.
On the side. Keep them on the side. There you go.
What we need to do, guys, is if anything, we're going to keep his face down. Yeah, he looks like he's cyanotic now. You turn him over. He's going to aspirate that. You can convert him. You can roll that up.
Yeah, we need a collar.
Collar?
Yeah, coming.
And I also
You got hit in the head.
arm adjusting out of that. And then go ahead and wipe his face. Clean it off and open up his airway. Get this out of the way while they load. Put that air off.
I'm going to donate those to the he was fighting the kids. Those will be donated.
Calvin, good. Wipe his face off real quick with that trauma dressing or whatever you got.
Yeah, light.
You need to clear his airway.
Okay.
Yeah, really get in aggressively. Just wipe him off. 76 on his right. You got garage. You got reps? Look, I don't see no rise and fall.
Yeah, he's pretty cyanotic. Nose.
Still, it doesn't have no effect.
No effects at all.
And he's cuffed.
Yes, sir.
I think you guys got to be concerned about him.
Right.
You know what? You want to grab the
No, it's transient. Did you guys dealt with it before? Never known it violent.
So what's the story? You got violence?
I don't know what the radio call was. We got fight with one last week. Two more guys came so fight by the taser. They had assaulted him a couple times. So
Let's get him on the board.
So that looks like basically
What's that? What's the strap right there?
Or going down. We had one fight. Full blown.
You get his head? Okay, Hey, Gabe, I need your glasses, man. I need your guys in glasses. Okay. The reason why, because if he starts flapping around or something, he's going to
Just pick those ones inside out.
It's like a little pile right here. They're making a pile right here.
We'll go to the hospital.
I think I got your glasses. Your sunglasses. There.
Yeah, he did. I'm going to have you probably drive the car up. I'm going to probably go in with him in case he starts fighting. So,
We're going to say Jitsu.
yeah, well, probably ECI. You know where that's at?
Anaheim.
ECI's in
So I take the 57 to...
You're going to fall in. Hey, you're ready to get to your car. We're going to call the ambulance.
Hey Sheriff County, this is Sheriff County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.